Welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a closer look at a magnificent raptor that often leaves bird watchers guessing. In this stunning video, we have a perfect subject to help us master long-legged buzzards identification. These birds can be incredibly tricky to identify because their plumages varies so much from one individual to another. However, noticing key features like the warm, reddish-brown tones on the back and distinctively pale, creamy head makes it easier to spot them out in the wild. When it comes to the long-legged buzzard size, this species stand out as the largest of all the Old World Buteo buzzards. They are quite hefty and robust, sporting a impressive wingspan that can easily reach up to 150 centimeters. This large size combined with their remarkably long, unfeathered yellow legs gives them a fierce and commanding presence, whether they are soaring high in the sky or perched on a wire scanning the ground for prey. The beautiful bird captured on the wire shows classic signs of being a long-legged buzzard's juvenile. Younger birds like this one typically exhibit a much lighter streak head and a breast compared to the heavily marked dark bellies seen on adults. They also tend to have lighter, finely barred tails before molting into the solid, warm, rufous orange tails, and the adults are famous for. It is a spectacular creature to observe, and capturing such a clear view of one is always a treat for any wildlife enthusiasts. The long-legged buzzard's habitat primarily consists of open, arid landscapes. They thrive in the dry regions such as plains, steppes, semi-deserts, and rocky foothills where they have a clear line of sight to hunt. Geographically, the long-legged buzzard's distribution is vast, stretching across southeastern Europe, Central Asia, and parts of North Africa. Depending on the region, some populations are migratory, flying south to spend their winter in India, Pakistan, East Africa, or the Middle East, while some other remain resident year-round if the climate allows. When it comes to survival, the long-legged buzzard's diet is quite diverse, though it relies heavily on small mammals. Their primary targets include voles, ground squirrels, hamsters, and gerbils. However, they are opportunistic predators and will easily switch to lizards, snakes, large insects, or even small birds if mammals are scarce. During the breeding season, these raptor builds large, bulky nests made of sticks and lined with wool or green leaves. They typically construct these nests on high rocky cliffs, crags, or occasionally in lone trees scattered across the plains. A typical clutch consists of 2 to 4 eggs, which are incubated primarily by the female. Both parents work tirelessly to bring food to the growing chicks, teaching them the essential hunting skills they will need before setting off on their own.